The assembly should be done only by an authorized garage. We do not assume liability for improper assembly. You can find detailed installation instructions on our homepage, www.m-motorcycle.de. Ensure that the motorcycle is safely placed on the lifting ramp. In order to remove the screws of the clutch cover, the thermal protection shield must be demounted, or the exhaust manifold needs to be unfastened, depending on the model. Remove the screws of the clutch cover, the clutch line, as well as the air vent screw, the 3 screws of the original clutch cylinder, and take the cylinder off. The sealing ring, the air vent screw, and the spring of the piston are kept for later use with twin cam models. The clutch collar, air vent screw, and the spring on the piston are kept for later use with Milwaukee 8 models. Take the spring from the original piston and plunge it into the new piston of the hydro clutch. Now you can insert the piston into the cylinder. Please make sure that the piston is running smoothly in the cylinder. Please screw the hydro clutch with the piston on the intended position and connect the clutch line and the air vent screw. We additionally recommend the use of a Teflon strip in order to seal the clutch line and the air vent screw. After all parts have been firmly installed, the system must be depleted according to the manufacturer's instructions. On this occasion, it is recommended to change the brake fluid completely. Attention! The clutch cylinder cannot separate properly if the system is not ventilated correctly. After the system has been depleted, please check if the clutch separates properly and if you can switch to neutral. In case you have any problems shifting to neutral, please deplete the system again. If you can change gear properly, you can assemble the cover, the exhaust manifold, or the thermal protection shield. Please bear in mind that when driving with the new clutch for the first time, the pressure point of the clutch has changed. Have fun with your new hydro clutch.